Hello, Martha Alderson again, Plot Whisperer. We're on step 16 for how do I plot a novel, memoir, or screenplay. So by now you have passed the halfway part of your writing project. We talked about that in step number 15, the importance of the halfway mark. And now that you've crossed over the halfway mark, that's one of the big markers in a story, you now have 1/4 of the book to drive from this recommitment to the crisis, which is the highest point in the story in terms of energetic intensity of the entire project so far. So within that time frame, there are several things that need to happen. You know, the energy has to start to crank up, the stakes have to start to get higher. You've been in the exotic world, you may have slowed the story down a bit in order to create the exotic world, show the reader some details that they might not know about the exotic world, but now it's time to really get back into the dramatic action plot and really start to build tension and excitement in the story overall. So what you want to think about is if the character is going to interfere with their own progress of getting to their goal, which means that they have an internal antagonist, which is something about themselves, a fear or a flaw or a prejudice or a hatred or whatever it is that's standing in their way of achieving their own dreams. What you want to do now is to really show us on a deepened level how much that internal flaw is affecting their lack of progress. And then you have external antagonists. So you want to make sure that those external antagonists are starting to really put the pressure on and starting to challenge the protagonist. Because what happens in the middle of the story is you want the protagonist to be in scenes where they will learn the skills, the abilities, the knowledge, gain the experience they need to prevail at the ultimate energetic high, which is the climax. So this is the time when they have to start to redefine and to start to learn about themselves on a deeper level. In lots of stories, there is a moment in everyone's life where they lose their innocence. It's where they sort of stumble, where life is not what they thought it was going to be or what it had been promised to them or whatever. I have a couple examples. One is Grapes of Wrath, which is John Steinbeck. And for Tom Joad, his moment of losing his innocence was when he got in the bar fight and killed a man and went to prison. That isn't shown in this book. That's a moment that was way back in time, and which is probably why so many writers have so much difficulty knowing, where do I begin my story? Do I start at that moment of the loss of innocence, or do I start later and then sort of allude to that or bring it out into the forefront of the story as the front story moves forward? This is another example, The Kite Runner. This book actually starts when the protagonist is a young boy. So we see that loss of innocence, and we see the part that he played in his own loss of innocence. Because of what he did or didn't do, he contributed to his own demise, so to speak. In East of Eden, John Steinbeck, the same thing happens, where for the father, it happens long before the book opens, where his brother betrays him. And so that's sort of alluded to, and that then builds into the bigger part of the story. So all of that is to say that at the point where the protagonist has lost their footing, they've lost some skill or some reality or some understanding of who they are, and they have to rediscover it. They're not going to learn it for the first time, they have to rediscover it. So this sort of 1/4 mark between the halfway point and the crisis in a story is the time that you want to start to build the tension, but also start to show what the character needs to learn in order to prevail at the climax. You want them to be able to be, you know, the heroine or the hero of their own story, and in some way, and there'll be a twist and there'll be all these other cool things that will happen. But in order to do something at the climax that they were not able to do at any other point in the story, they have to get what they need, their arsenal, all of the abilities and the knowledge that they need. And they need to rediscover what that was that they lost when they lost their innocence in an earlier scene.